Hello my sweet potatoes, it is Michelle, your potato queen, back with another video, and today I'm going to be cleaning out my closet. 2018 is almost over. There's 2 months left and I'm like, what have I been doing with my entire year? But before the year ends, I really wanted to clean out my closet, kind of get a fresh start for the new year. All of the items that I'm going to be getting rid of, I'm also going to put up for sale on my Poshmark. And if you don't know what Poshmark is, it is an app where you can buy and sell clothing. I've been using this app for years, since like 2013. I've sold a lot of stuff on there and I've also bought a lot of stuff on there as well, and I do really enjoy the app, so I'm really happy to say that they are sponsoring today's video. You can download the app for free, which you can do at the link down in my description box below. Go check that out and also check out my closet because I'm going to be listing all of these clothes. So I first started off by just going through my entire closet and picking things out that I haven't worn in like 6 months, because if it's been that long and you haven't worn it, then you probably don't really want it, even though you might be like, oh, maybe I can use it for this occasion. No, you probably should just get rid of it. And I also got rid of items that just don't really bring me joy. Like if I'm not looking forward to wearing it or like styling it in any outfit, then I will just get rid of it because it's not really worth the space. So I sorted the clothes in 2 piles. One pile was clothes that I thought still had some value, maybe some other people would enjoy, and another pile to just donate because they were pretty worn down or I wore them a lot. So these are most of the items that I have on my Poshmark, and I will have some items that I'm not showing here that are on my Poshmark, so go check that out. So I'm just gonna go through this rack and talk about each item and also show you some clips of me styling it to give you a little idea of what it would look like. So this is the first item that we're starting off with. It is a white grid print cropped tee and it is collared. The back has a little button closure keyhole cutout, and I really like it because it's just very simple. I love the grid print. The sleeves are a little bit longer, but the only thing is that it is pretty cropped, so you're gonna need some high-waisted bottoms to go with it. It is double lined as well, so it's not as see-through, and the material is kind of like a chiffon material, but it is still pretty soft. I don't really think it fits my style anymore, but yeah, I think it's super cute and I've been holding onto it for so long, but yeah, I haven't really worn it, so this is gonna be for sale. Next up, I have this cropped sweater and it is from Forever 21. It has 2 white stripes on either arm, and on the left side it has an embroidery and it says no hard feelings, which I thought was really cute. It's also a really warm sweater, a little bit too warm for Hawaii, which is why I'm selling it, because it is lined on the inside with this like fuzzy material, although it is cropped, so you would probably need to pair it with high-waisted stuff as well. I have a lot of crop things, guys. Like, I think I have a problem. Next up, we've got this rainbow striped tee, and I got this from Ross, and it has this burgundy lining, and I really like this rainbow design here, but I don't know, I feel like it just doesn't look that good on me. Like, I bought it because I've been really wanting a shirt with this type of graphic design on it, but I don't know, I think I just got too happy when I saw it that I just bought it on a whim. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy it. Next up, we have another top from Forever 21. It's an olive green color with these like white paint splatters all over it and this lace up front detail. I don't know, I feel like this color just doesn't look that great on me, but I do think it's very cute and very edgy. Next up, we've got this gingham tank top, and it is a size large actually, but it fits me pretty well and I'm a size small. It's a little bit wide on the sides here, but it's actually not that bad on me. Like, it doesn't hang or sag low on my sides, and the back just has a little keyhole cutout. I really like this gingham pattern and it's a soft material. It's a pretty thick material as well, but yeah, this gingham pattern is always super in trend during the fall season, so I think this would be really cute. Go to the pumpkin patch or something, sunflower fields, I don't know. Next up, we've got another little edgy piece. So this is a checker print crop top and it has this lettuce trim edge on the bottom and on the sleeves, and it's just checkers all over. I think it's very trendy. I think this would be really cute with some like black overalls as well. It's a super soft material too. It kind of reminds me of like Brandy Melville material. Now this is a gray cropped sweater with checkerboard details along the sides. This material is so soft and so comfortable. I could just touch it all day, and I had this like gray phase, so a lot of my clothes are gray, and it's also super comfy. The sleeves are a little bit longer, so it adds to that comfy cozy factor. Next up, we have a red hoodie with this detail on the side and it says chill Oh, this way. This is my first like bright red piece of clothing. I was feeling a little bit bold when I bought it because I was like, oh yes, I'm gonna wear this and it's gonna be so good. But I don't know, I'm just too shy to wear colors this bold. Like I'm still sticking to like my neutrals and my basic colors and stuff. But I think it's really cute if you tie it in the front here and wear it with some high-waisted bottoms. Plus it's a hoodie. Like who doesn't love hoodies? My arm is getting a workout right now. Oh my god. Okay, next up is this striped dress and it has a mock neck. It just has black and white, very thin stripes. It's a good like casual dress. You can wear it to work as well. It goes past my fingertips and I am 5'1". It's very flowy and you can definitely dress this up or down. It is also very soft material, reminds me of Brandy Melville material as well. Next is this tan beige blazer and I got this because I was trying to step out of my comfort zone and get something a little bit different besides your typical standard black blazer. I do really like the color though. I think it's so unique and I like that it has these little scrunches on the side on the arms. There is a button so you can close it if you'd like. It's not super stiff like some other blazers, so there is a little bit more movement to it. Now I've got this burgundy maroon type of color dress and it's just a plain dress, but in the back it has this little lace up detail which I thought was super cute. And I don't know, I'm really into these like little tiny details that are very minimal. It's kind of like a chiffon material. You can wear this to work. Again, I used to wear this when I worked in an office. Next up is this really cute Brandy Melville dress and I absolutely love this print. Like this is my favorite print that I've ever seen from Brandy, but this dress is just too big for me. I've been meaning to like alter it, size it down to have it fit me better, but I just never got around to it and I've had this for like a year already, over a year, and I haven't done it still, so I'm probably never going to do it. So I'm just going to sell it and hope that somebody else can enjoy this piece because it's so pretty. Next I have this really long oversized cardigan. It's an extra large because I really wanted that oversized comfy fit, and I like it because it's kind of like a blanket. It has these like tassels at the bottom, so it's like a wearable blanket, which like who wouldn't love that? I feel like it's very fall and winter appropriate. Next up I have this beige skirt and it's a pencil skirt. I bought this when I used to work in a human resources office because I was like, oh, I'm gonna be all like business casual and cute, but I never really ended up wearing this. But it is really cute. It's just a plain pencil skirt and in the back it has a little slit at the bottom and it's form-fitting and it looks so good. It makes your legs and your butt look really good. It's also very thick material, not see-through at all. And finally we've got this little mini skirt. It is just a gray plaid pattern and I do really love this pattern. It's so cute, very form-fitting, very soft material, a nice thick material that won't be see-through as well, and it has a little waistband, and this can also be dressed up or down depending on how you want to wear it. Okay you guys, so that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will go and download Poshmark if you haven't already. Be sure again to click the link down in my description box and you can download it for free. Be sure to check out my closet and you can shop all of the items that I showed you in this video. They're all gonna be really cheap. Huge thank you to Poshmark for sponsoring this video, and please give it a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you aren't already. Be sure to check me out on my social medias and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!